If you ever wanted to make money with affiliate marketing but got overwhelmed by websites, hosting, product research, content creation, and traffic generation, then today's review might be exactly what you've been looking for. Today we are taking a close look at CommissionHub AI, a brand new AI powered affiliate marketing platform that's making some pretty big claims. According to the creators, this software can build a complete affiliate commission store in less than 60 seconds. Pull product from major affiliate networks like Amazon, ClickBank, Digistore24, and etc. Create content automatically and even help generate free traffic. Sound impressive? But is it actually worth your money? Let's break it down. What is CommissionHub AI? CommissionHub AI is an AI powered cloud platform designed to help people create affiliate marketing store without coding, website building experience, or expensive monthly software subscriptions. Instead of manually building a website, installing plugin, researching product, writing reviews, and creating blog content, the software claims to automate almost everything. The biggest selling point is that it combines four major affiliate network: Amazon Associate, ClickBank, Digistore24. It's most affiliate marketers focus on only one network. Commission AI attempt to give user access to all four, creating multiple commission opportunity from a single platform. How does it work? The process is surprisingly simple. Step 1. Log in into your dashboard. Step 2. Choose a niche and select a network. Step 3. Click generate. The AI then creates a complete commission of store loaded with product content and a blog section. According to the product creators, the entire process takes about 60 seconds. For beginners, that definitely one of the biggest attractions. What I like about CommissionHub AI, extremely beginner friendly. This is probably the strongest feature. Most affiliate marketing platforms have a steep learning curve. You need hosting, you need WordPress, you need plugins, you need themes, you need content, you need SEO knowledge. CommissionHub AI remove most of those technical barriers. If you are completely new to affiliate marketing, this could save weeks or even a month of step works. Multiple income streams. This is where the software becoming interesting. Instead of relying only on Amazon commissions, user can potentially promote product from multiple networks. That means access to physical product from Amazon, digital product from ClickBank, international offer from Digistore24, handmade and unique product from Etsy. Diversification is important because affiliate programs can change commissions rate at any time. Having multiple networks available is definitely a major advantage built in AI content creation. Creating product review and blog content normally takes hours. Commission AI includes an AI writer that can generate product description, review articles, blog posts, marketing contents. For affiliate marketers creating lots of content, this could significantly speed up the process. No hosting cost. Many beginners underestimate how much website expensive add up. Hosting, domains, premium themes, plugins, monthly subscriptions. CommissionHub AI include hosting with the platform, which can lower startup costs substantially. Commercial license include. This feature stands out. The platform include commercial rights, allow user to create store for clients. For freelancer and agency owners, that's often another potential revenue stream beyond affiliate commissions. The potential downside. Now let's talk honestly about the limitations. It does create traffic automatically. This is important. No software can magically generate buyers. While CommissionHub AI includes blogging and traffic features, you will still need to learn SEO, social media marketing, content promotion, email marketing. Traffic remains the most important factor in affiliate marketing success. Results are not guaranteed. Some sales page make online business sound effortless. There really is different. Success depend on niche selection, traffic quality, consistency, marketing skills. The software can simplify setup, but it cannot guarantee commissions. AI content may need editing. AI generate content is helpful, but isn't always perfect. For better ranking and credibility, many users will like wanted to personalize and improve the content before publishing. New platform risk. Because CommissionHub AI is relatively new, long-term performance and support quality remain thing to watch. As with any software launch, users should test that thoroughly during the refund period. Who is CommissionHub AI best for? I think this platform is ideal for affiliate marketing beginners, side hustle, bloggers, freelancers, agency owners, people like for passive income opportunities. If you had technical setup and want a faster path to launch affiliate websites, this software makes a lot of sense. However, advanced affiliate marketing who already have established system may find some features less revolutionary. So is CommissionHub AI worth it? Overall, I believe it offers a lot of value for the asking price. The biggest strengths are fast setup, beginner-friendly dashboard, access to four major affiliate network, built-in AI content generation, hosting include, commercial rights include. The biggest weakness are traffic still needs to be generated. Results are not automatic. AI content may require editing. Long-term platform performance remains to be proven. If you are looking for a shortcut to launch affiliate marketing store without dealing with the technical headache, headaches, CommissionHub AI appears to be one of the more interesting tools currently available. Just remember that software alone won't create a successful business. The platform can build the store, but you will still need traffic, consistency, and a smart marketing to generate real commission. For beginners, through this could dramatically reduce the learning curve and help you get started much faster. That's my honest review of CommissionHub AI. Thanks for watching, and I hope this review helped you decide whether it's the right fit for your affiliate marketing goals.